Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Motorola Moto G6 Play. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so first thing we want to do is we're going to need a SIM ejector tool. On the left upper hand side of the phone, there's going to be a slight opening here. And here's where you're going to stick the SIM card ejector tray in the small opening. And it's going to come out just a little bit like that. Once you see it come out, you can pull it out completely. And the SIM card and SD card tray will come out. We're going to go ahead and place the SD card first on the top slot up here. And we're going to place the SIM card on the bottom slot down here. Right there, just like that. Okay, so once you're ready, go ahead and place it in like this, very smoothly and gently. Push it in all the way. Okay, so give it a few seconds. It should automatically read the SIM card right away and pick up signal if your SIM card is activated. And it should also read your SD card as well. See, it says SanDisk SD card. Oops, I pressed eject by mistake. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to find files. We're going to select these three lines over here, and we're going to select the storage of the phone, which is this one right here, Moto G6 Play. So select that. Here we're going to select the file that we want to transfer over. So in this video I want to transfer over pictures and videos, so we're going to go to DCIM and camera. So I have a couple pictures here. You're probably going to have a lot more. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots up here and then hit select all. Once they're all selected, we're going to click the three dots again and we're going to hit move to. Move to. So there we go. Now we're going to click on the three lines over here again, and now we're going to select SD card. So we're going to select SD card, and now we're in the SD card. Now we're going to select the folder in the SD card that we want to save it to. Well, I'm going to go to the same folder, DCIM folder. Okay, and then here I want to create a new folder to keep things organized. I'm going to click on the three dots, new folder, and I'm going to name it Moto G6. Okay. And I'm going to want to paste it here. So now we're going to select move. And as you can see, the pictures were moved to the SD card. So I guess it brought me back here to the camera folder in the phone. Moto G6 Play, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, the pictures are no longer in here. So it's just confirming that they were moved. Let's confirm that they moved to the SD card, DCIM. And the new folder is called Moto G6 right here. And as you can see, the pictures are in the SD card now. Alright guys, so keep in mind you can do that with any other type of file that you want to transfer over that is here in the Files Manager. Alright, so that was just a quick video on how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Motorola Moto G6 Play. See you guys around in the next video. Peace.